Hello friends, your own channel, Noiseless Investment. Here we decode a company based on the fundamentals and get to know if the company is worth our investment or not. Please note, I am not a SEBI registered advisor and these are my personal views based on the fundamentals of the stock. Please do your due diligence and consult your financial advisor before investing in any stock. So today we are going to do a fundamental analysis on Adani Enterprises and get to know if the company is worth our investment or not. So at first, this is the website of Adani Enterprises. So you can go through this website and get to know more about this company and Mr. Gautam Adani. So here is the website. Now let's move on to screener to get and let's know more about this company. So here, if we look into Adani Enterprises, the current market price of Adani is 2401 and there was a downside of minus 4.31 as on June 19th, 2023. If you look into the market cap of this company, it is 2,74,082 crores. The stock PE is 103. If you look into the industry PE, it is 39. So it is far expensive than the industry PE. If you look into the ROCE, it is 10.1. ROCE for 3 years is 8.89. Average ROCE for 5 years is 8.69. Average ROCE for 10 years is 7.72. So it oscillates between a range of 7.72 to 10.1. If we look into the return on equity (ROE), then it oscillates between a range of 6.76 till 9.66, so around 10. If we look into the debt on this company, so it is having a huge debt on this company. The debt on this company is quite huge. The interest coverage ratio is 1.91. The ROCE, we have already talked about the ROCE. We will look into the promoters holding, it is 69.2%. And the changes in promoters holding is minus 3.4%. So the promoters themselves have reduced the stake in this company. And the pledged percentage is 0.64% as of June 19th, 2023. If we look into the FIIs holding, it is 17.8% and the FIIs, they have increased their holding by 2.36%. The DIIs are having a holding of 5.15% and they have reduced their holding by 0.3%. If we look into the sales growth, it is 97.3, which is impressive. If we look into the profit growth, it is 245%, which is very impressive. If we look into the EPS, then it is 21.7 rupees, which means that each stock of Adani Enterprises, they are making 21.7 rupees for you. If we look into the operating profit margin, it is 6.44%. So they are working on wafer thin margin over here. If we look into the dividend yield, it is the company does not give a lot of dividends here. As you can see, the dividend payout ratio is 5.53%, which is less than the mark of 30 to 50%. So, and if we look into the quick ratio, the company is not good in this quick ratio. So they won't be able to pay off the entire debt if the need will arise, and if they will be required to pay that within a duration of 3 months. So ROIC is 8.26%, that is return on invested capital is 8.26%. The Altman Z score is 4.5% and the Piotrowski score is 7. If we look into the return over 1 month, it is 22.8%, return over 1 week is minus 3.36%, and the return over 1 day is minus 4.3%. So nothing can be said about the stock, whether the stock is in a bullish trend or whether the stock is in bearish trend. So if we look into the 52 weeks low, from 52 weeks low it is 136% away, and from 52 weeks high it is 42.7% away. Now let's move on to the score for let's look into the beta of Adani Enterprises. So if we go into money controls, then we find that the beta for this stock is 2.03%. So it moves double the speed of market. So whatever the market will be moving, it will move double the speed of what the market will be moving. And now if we look into Adani Enterprises stock score, it is coming out to be 4 out of 10. Here we look into the earning, it is not given. For fundamentals it is 9, relative valuation is 2, risk is 4, price momentum is 2. Now if we look into the chart structure of Adani Enterprises, then today it has formed big red candles here, and even the RSI has moved till 56 and it is 55 and it is going downwards. Even the volume is very high today, and the MACD black line is still below the red line. So I don't think that this stock would be a good option to put your money on, but please consult your financial advisor before investing in this stock. Let's move on to the fair value for Adani Enterprises. Then we see that the fair value for Adani Enterprises is 1,737. So there is a potential downside of minus 27.7%, and the spread can be between 1055.7 to 2284. But since this is moving, the current market price of this company, of this stock is 2403.8, so it is way ahead. You can look into the pros and cons of this company here. So what I will do, I'll attach the description and the details about this company in the descriptions of my channel. You can go through it and get to know more about this company. Thank you. In case you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the useful information on a regular basis. Thank you. Have a nice day.